Hello guys. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best tabletop electric grills in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. Hamilton Beach 25361 is a smart indoor electric grill with the latest technology. We are a great fan of Hamilton Beach products for kitchen appliances, high-quality products for classy people. The design of 25361 is unique and stainless steel housing. It comes with 2 designs. One is stainless steel lid and second one stainless steel lid with window. Our recommendation is a stainless steel lid with window model. You can observe the condition of the meal with the window. Beautiful handle for close and open. There is nice temperature control for your meal preparation. Number 2. Our second best pick is George Foreman 15-serving indoor, outdoor, best electric grill. George Foreman is a fantastic electric grill indoor and outdoor for both purposes. It has great portability so you can use it indoors or outdoors at a time. For multiple usabilities it saves money. The design is most attractive and looks great at this grill. It comes with a nice strong stand where the grill remains while a meal is prepared. You can remove the stand and use it without that. The patented slope design and silver color grill make the grill smarter in way of look. It requires 120V and 1600 watt power supply to run the grill system. The domed lid covers perfectly while grilling time. Number 3. Our third best pick is T-fal Indoor Grill, Electric Grill, Best Portable Grill. T-fal is the first precision grilling technology-based electric grill on the market you will get. It comes with 2 models, OptiGrill and OptiGrill XL. Our recommendation is the OptiGrill XL model. It's for 8 servings and 9 automatic cooking programs you will have on your grill. T-fal has automatic thickness measurement capability that's really awesome. It will automatically measure and provide temperature as the meal needs. If you have nothing to worry about grilling, just put the meal on the surface and select the program you want to run. T-fal will do for you for great taste. For those automatic features, T-fal became popular to people. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is DeLonghi BG24 Perfecto Indoor Grill. Here another top-listed grill from DeLonghi BG24 Perfecto Indoor Grill, which is obviously electric and smokeless grill as well our main concerning point. Either the grill usable into your dining space or maybe in the backyard will do fine totally. However, the grill comes with an extra large surface to hold up many things for cooking at a time. The unit features embedded heating for constant performance and also measures temperature with a cool detachable thermostat. Also included one non-stick drip tray to clean up crumb or excess fat easily, and it is as strong as durable to serve for a longer period. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Breville BGR820XL Smart Grill. Breville BGR820XL is a classic and smart grill. Stainless steel construction gives the grill more life than a conventional grill. It has a digital display and 2 control panels for timer settings and temperature sets. On the left side and right side, there is a button for plate release. It operated at 110 120V and power 1800 watt. The embedded heating design is capable of 310 450F temperature control. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.